And welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to According to Dave. I'm Dave. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of some stuff that I bought for the car. Today we're going to be unboxing some headlights. I finally pulled the trigger, bought some headlights from Amazon. And these are a couple accessories for the headlights too. This is from Klearz website. And some headlight protection that's in here also. I'll show you what that is once we open it up. But these headlights I bought from Amazon for about 160 bucks. They're Acanii, I don't know how to say it, Acanii Headlights. I'll post the link to them down below in the description. And then these I bought from the website called Klearz. They're side markers, clear ones. And I bought those for about 80 bucks. They're kind of expensive for what they really are, but oh well. Nobody else makes them really, so this is the only way you can get them. And then some headlight protection. This is PPF in here actually, but we'll see what that looks like. I haven't opened any of this stuff. Well, I lied. I did open that already over there. It's just one headlight just to make sure they sent me the right ones because, well, you know, anything could happen. Let's get right into it. I just set up my tripod right here, man. Look, I'm using a freaking jack as a tripod. So this is a quick unboxing video, nothing special really. Just show you guys what's coming up and what to expect for future videos. So right here's the PPF. It's from Vivid. So this is just basic PPF right here. Yeah, look, you can see it's clear. Right here. So this is gonna go over the headlight. My plans for these headlights, actually, I guess now is the best time to tell you guys, is to mod them a little bit. At least paint them up. I'm gonna open them up, and then I'm gonna paint the inside black and change the side markers to the clear ones, and it should give you a nice looking headlight at the end. So the next thing we have here is the Klearz. Actually, first let's open up this. Let's open up the actual headlight. So again, these are from Amazon. I didn't buy OEM because, well, I'm broke, and OEM is like 300 bucks for one headlight. So, like I said, not to use a knife, not using a knife. Or else. Yeah, I'm broke. So I bought these for 160 bucks. We'll see how they come out. So in case any of you are wondering, this is how they pack headlights from Amazon. So nice and protected with some expanding foam. Throw that right there. And we have the actual headlight right here. Look at that. Brand new. These are OEM style headlights. I don't know how well they're gonna fit. Yeah, you can already see the quality here. They're alright quality, I would say. At least I could get this out. It does not come with any lights. So yeah, look. You can already see some of this, I guess, the sealant right here already kind of beat up a little bit, but that's all right. I'm going to be re-opening these up and then blacking the internals out and stuff, and then changing this side marker out to a clear one, and you'll see that right now. So yeah, here's the headlight. Let me back this up a little bit. So that's all that's in the box, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, that's all that's in the box. So here's the back side. Looks good, looks good. It's all plastic. Yeah, looks good. Looks nice and clean. We'll see how they fit when I throw it on the car. I haven't tested them on at all, so I don't know how the fitment is. It shouldn't be bad. Yeah, there's that headlight. Actually, let me get the other one for you too so you can see it. And then here's the right side. So yeah. I'm gonna put these aside now. This PPF, I forgot to mention, it's like 20 bucks. And this is basically gonna go over the whole headlight and protect it from rock chips, from fading, and just overall wear and tear. So now the next thing we have is these clear side markers. These are amber. I don't really like how the amber looks. Right now in my car I have an overlay, you know, like tinting this right here. But this should look nicer with these clears. Imagine if it's empty, that'd be fun. Here they are. Wow, such a big box for... Oh, there's something at the bottom. I guess the invoice. And there's nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. Okay, so let's see what these are. I don't want to break these. These came from Canada, I believe. They took a little while to get here. But, oh, this looks so nice. Here's one. And here's the other. Whoa, these look really nice actually. So yeah, these go this box to the side. These go right here. Let's just go. Like this. There we go. This is how this headlight should roughly look. With the inside blacked out. You can still see it. Let me see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So yeah, these were like $80. Honestly, it's kind of expensive. And is it worth it? Like 50-50. But I already bought it, so now I gotta use it. Yeah, this one goes over here this side. So yeah, that's what's coming up. Next video is gonna be a headlight, I guess mod you could call it. But really, we're just gonna be opening these up and then blacking out all this chrome inside, and maybe even this right here. And then installing these clear amber markers, side markers. And then hopefully in the future, I'll also get like some different color lights for the side markers. And then maybe some switchbacks for the blinkers. And then hopefully some LEDs for the actual DRLs. And we'll have a nice looking headlight at the end of that. So that's all that I have planned for today. That was an unboxing of what's going to be coming up in the next video. Hope you guys liked it. Maybe you get a rough idea of if you order headlights off Amazon, how they're going to come. Again, these are Acanii. I don't know how to say it, honestly. But I'll post a link down in the description where I got everything from. And you'll be able to check it out yourself. So we'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. If you want to see some more, make sure to comment down what I should do to these headlights. If you have any ideas, suggestions, what we can do, I'm open to hearing those.